Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but one that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me, a person who has problems with the engine of his car, who for the most part tomorrow it won't start, and they have told him that he has to change the brake depressor, and he asks to see if that has any relationship. Let's see. That is very strange, that it doesn't start because of the brake depressor. I'll explain it to you. We have seen it on occasion, but normally, it has been because the brake depressor had a seized shaft, so the seized shaft, how the camshaft is coupled, with the movement of the engine. The camshaft activates the brake depressor, moves it. In this type of depressors, there are also others that have electric belts. In those cases it would be even more strange. In this case, as I say, we have seen it before, because it blocked the camshaft, and it would not let it start. In other cases, there have been people who have been trying to start the engine, until in the end, they have broken these two pins, because as I say, the shaft was seized. They have broken the two pins of the vacuum pump, or brake depressor. In some cases we have also seen that the camshaft has broken, due to the same movement, because this part was seized. But these are rare cases. Normally, that if the brake depressor fails, it does not prevent the engine from starting. What you will have are problems braking, for example, or if a vacuum is not created, the turbo will not work either, or the EGR will not work. But in principle, it is very rare that due to a brake depressor failure, the engine does not start. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.